In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF document into a Weebly website, and we'll do this quite efficiently in just about 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate over to the official Weebly website. This is your main hub for website edits and making your digital space more interactive for visitors. Once you're on the site, you'll need to locate the Sign In button. It's typically in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login details to access your account. If you're not logged in already, this is a key step because you can't make changes to your website without being signed in. Now that you've signed in, you should find yourself on the dashboard. From here, take a look at the menu options and click on Website. This will open up a submenu. Select Edit Site from this list. This action will take you into the editing environment where most of your modifications will occur. It's a versatile area where you can adjust the layout, add content, or upload files like PDFs. On the editing page, you'll see a plus icon, usually signifying the addition of new elements to your page. Click on this plus icon, and a list of options should appear. From these, select Edit Section. This is where you can modify specific sections of your web page to include new materials. With the section editing options open, scroll down through the choices until you find the one labeled PDF. Once you see it, click on it to initiate the upload process. Here, you can browse through your computer's files and select the PDF document you intend to upload. Weebly makes this quite straightforward, but remember to ensure your PDF is finalized and properly formatted before uploading it, because you want it to look professional and be easy to read for your visitors. After your PDF is uploaded, you'll want to make sure everything is in place before going live. This is where the preview feature becomes invaluable. Click on the Preview button to see how your PDF displays on your website. This step allows you to check that everything looks good and is functioning as intended without any surprises for your site visitors. Once you're satisfied with how the document is presented, it's time to make it available for everyone by clicking Publish. This action will push all the changes live to your website, and your PDF document will now be accessible to anyone who visits your site. It's a simple yet effective way to share information directly on your web page, expanding the resources you offer to your audience. And there you have it. Your PDF is now part of your Weebly website. Thanks for joining me for this quick and easy guide, and happy website building.